So today I'm making some fried chicken. In this bowl, I put a bunch of, I didn't measure, of course, Old Bay seasoning, flour, a bit of pepper, Italian seasoning, and some seasoning salt and garlic. Because we like it spicy, like kind of like KFC spicy chicken. This is just a bunch of eggs with some milk. As I need more, I will mix more. And here is just flour. So I dip my chicken legs, not chicken thighs, here in flour, roll around. Then I put in the milk into the milk and egg mixture, and then I put in here. And then I like to put my cast iron frying pan with the skin side down. Get that cooked first. And then flip it. Look how beautiful those are. And this is better than anything. Like this package of chicken I paid $11.71, and there's about 20 or so pieces in here. Once this is done, I put it in on a cookie sheet or lasagna pan in the oven at 350 to continue cooking till it's cooked to the bone. But actually today I'm going to put it in my turkey roaster at 350 to continue cooking. The downside to only having one big cast iron pan, and it's not the biggest that you can have, it's only I think an 8-inch one, is I can only put really 3, maybe 4 pieces depending on the size. But we're having that for our supper tonight. We're having an early supper, late lunch. This and macaroni and cheese and some canned peas and carrots. Here's my turkey roaster and all the fried chicken that was continuing to cook in here. Nice, yummy chicken. This for supper, which is a combination of lunch and supper. And there's just some canned peas and beans and Kraft Dinner mac and cheese. So this will be supper. Have a great day. Bye, friends. Please click like, share, and subscribe.